Land Rover Discovery 2020 Diesel 1999 cubic centimeters. How to change the clock time. On the media screen, press the Settings button. Select All Settings. Select General Settings. Select Time and Date. Turn off the auto function to set the time manually. Use the up and down arrows to select the correct time for the hour and the minute digits. To automatically set the clock, press on the auto setting. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.